prove that the sum of three consecutive integers is divisible by 3. Okay, consecutive, we mean like next to each other. So for instance, the numbers 5, 6 and 7 are next to each other. They're consecutive, or 10, 11, 12, or 19, 20, 21. Okay, could be any one. But in general, we want to show that the sum of three consecutive integers is divisible by 3. And of course, integers, don't forget, are whole numbers. Okay, could be positive, could be negative. Now, for in general, we can't just choose 5, 6 and 7, right? Because of course, if you look at 5, 6 and 7 and the sum of them, well, if we add them, 5 and 6 is 11, add 7 is 18. Well, that adds up to 18, and that is divisible by 3. Okay, so we proved it there for those set of numbers, but in general, for any set of numbers. So what I'll do is we'll use a bit of algebra, and we'll say, look, consider in general, okay, the values n. Okay, now if we think about n, the number next to it then will be n plus 1, won't it? Okay, and then the number after that then, so we have three consecutive numbers, will be n plus 2. So these are my three consecutive numbers, and we want the sum of them. Okay, so we can say the sum of them will equal n plus 1 plus n plus 2. Okay, so we just need to add them. And when you add them then, put the n's together, you get 3n. Put the numbers together, 1 and 2. That becomes 3. And you'll notice then, 3n plus 3, well, there's a common factor there of 3, isn't there? So we can take 3 out, factorize it. We'll end up n plus 1 in here. Now what we've shown now is that this is actually a multiple of 3. Okay? And if it's a multiple of 3, we can say therefore it's divisible by 3. Okay, and we've shown it. Okay, and as I said, we're happy there that they are consecutive values there. We just choose n to represent any number. N plus 1 will be the next one, n plus 2 will be the one after that, and then we just add them together. We've shown it's a multiple of 3, therefore it's divisible by 3.